candidates, beginning with candidate number 1, Cherise Victoria Garcia. Standing 5 feet 5 inches and weighing 125 pounds with captivating stats of 31, 25, and 37. She aims to become a CPA and believes that everything happens for a reason. Candidate number 1, Cherise Victoria Garcia. Let's take a closer look at candidate number 2, Glennis G. Thurla. At 5'6" and 122 pounds, with a graceful stats of 33, 25, and 34, Glennis embodies motivation and perseverance. She holds on to her empowering belief that knowledge is power. That's Glennis G. Thurla. We move on with candidate number 3, Rochelle Ann Ocampo. Standing 5 feet 5 and a half and weighing 123 pounds, Rochelle dreams big to become a CPA and a lawyer and a beauty queen on international stages. Her heart whispers her motto, hold on to hope if you got it. Rochelle Ann Ocampo. Let's meet candidate number 4, IZ Woodson. At 5'7" and 140 pounds with 30 feet, 26, 37 measurements. IZ's greatest goal is to make her younger self proud. With a grateful heart, she believes in always practicing an attitude of gratitude. There you have her, IZ Woodson. Candidate number 5, Lizette Garcia. Standing tall at 5 feet, 8 and a half, and weighing 145 pounds, Lizette hopes to represent the Philippines in an international pageant. Her simple yet powerful motto reminds us all that time is gold. Lizette Garcia. Let us now meet candidate number 6, Jemima Lake Castro. At 5 feet 8 inches and 152 pounds with curves of 35, 27, 38, Jemima dreams of becoming a flight attendant. She radiates kindness, declaring, kindness is the crown I wear. That's Jemima Ray Castro. Let's now have candidate number 7, Latifaha Raagas. Standing 5 feet 8 and a half inches and weighing 162 pounds with 35, 29 and a half, and 37 stats, Latifaha aspires to fly high as a flight attendant. Her motto, stay gorgeous and humble, defines beauty with grace. The gorgeous Latifaha Raagas. Moving on with candidate number 8, Rosemary Medina. At 5 feet 9 inches tall and 140 pounds, with 35, 28 and a half, and 37 measurements, Rosemary also dreams of taking flight as a flight attendant. She reminds us that kindness to animals is kindness to life. Rosemary Medina, candidate number 8. We now have candidate number 9, Angela Beatriz Ocampo. Standing 5 feet 7 inches and weighing 135 pounds with 32 and a half, 26, 37 stats, Angela strives to become a doctor or an international cabin crew. Her confidence shines through her motto, she believed she could, so she did. That's Angela Beatriz Ocampo. Candidate number 10, let's meet Ayla Lynette Calas. At 22, standing 5 feet 6 inches and weighing 103 pounds with 29, 23, and 32 stats, Ira dreams of being a cabin crew and a beauty queen. Her faith guides her through the words, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. That's candidate number 10, Ira Lynette Calas. Let's now have candidate number 11, Chantel Ryan Claudio. Standing 5 feet 6 inches and weighing 125 pounds with 36, 24, 36 measurements, Chantal dreams of becoming a renowned beauty queen and host. Her guiding principle, hard work never betrays you. Candidate number 11, Chantal Ryan Claudio. And now to candidate's portion, give it up for candidate number 12, Jay Fernandez. finishes in 110 pounds with 32, 27, and 34 stats. Jade is driven to become a flight attendant. Her heartfelt reminder, love yourself before you love others. That's our last candidate, Jade Fernandez, candidate number 12.